Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. Today, I am going to make my family's favorite green salad. It's basically just a winter gate salad, but I add cottage cheese to it, which makes it so yummy. So let me get that started. I try to start off with the wettest ingredient first. I use a whole large container of cottage cheese. I am going to add 2 of these 4.5 cup servings of instant pistachio pudding. And I think the regular Wintergate salad just has 1, but I find that with that added cottage cheese in it, that it sets up a lot nicer. And then I'm going to add in, what size is this? 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Get those ingredients mixed in here. You know me, I like to do things in the lazy kind of way, so I'm making it right in my container that we're going to serve in it tomorrow. I'm going to add my whipped topping to that. Ooh, punch on the lid. We do have a couple of people in our family that can't have dairy, but they seem to do real well if they use a lactate pills for the day, because they love this salad too. We do what we got to do when we want some of our favorite foods. These Rubbermaid containers are so nice. I use them every holiday. And just wash them and reuse them. They seem to last the test of time unless you drop it. And then these plastic containers will crack and break. And last but not least is my marshmallows. I don't know if the whole package is going to fit in here or not. So we'll just add a little at a time. Of course, the grandkids just love marshmallows in their hot chocolate tomorrow. It's 5 ingredients for this salad, and it's basically a dessert, but we eat it with our main course, main meal, amongst our turkey and ham and stuffing and gravy and sweet potatoes. to add just a little bit more and save some marshmallows for the boys when they get here. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. I hope you get a chance to make this salad and try it out. Like I said, it's our favorite, and we enjoy it every year. I think I've been making this for the last 25 years for my family. Well, have a great rest of the day. Enjoy your Thanksgiving tomorrow with your family and your friends. And may God bless you. Happy Thanksgiving.